Hello everybody, and welcome to Mad Scientist Club. Today we're going to make a rainbow using 3 simple things. You will need a white plate of some type. I have a foam plate. I wouldn't use paper, but I guess you could. But I've got a foam plate, a bag of Skittles, and some warm water. The warmer the water, the faster it will work. I'm getting ready to show you a picture of my plate that I've already arranged my Skittles on. Now that you've seen the plate ready to go, I'm using just a cup measure to get my warm water, and I'm going to pour it right in the middle of my plate, making sure that it's touching all of the Skittles. And now we're going to wait for a few minutes, and we're going to see what happens. Be back in a minute. Well, I've waited a few minutes, and you won't believe what's happened. I'm going to show you a picture real quick of what happened to our Skittles on the white plate when we added warm water. You now have a Skittles rainbow. This is easy to do at home because the water doesn't need to be any warmer than what comes out of your faucet in your bathroom or kitchen. So, white plate, Skittles, and some warm water, and you can make your own Skittles rainbow. A quick, easy experiment showing osmosis, things moving through water. So, until next time, this is Mad Scientist Mr. Butch saying, so long!